Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to install Jupyter notebooks. So I've got the git bash open here with me. We will just go and create a directory. And then we will change to that directory. And we will just say Jupyter Notebook help, and it will tell us about the various options available with Jupyter Notebooks. And you can go through these options and like for example, the browser tells us that we don't want to look at Jupyter Notebooks in a browser, and we can work on them on a terminal. And so there are other options available. You can read through them. So now I will just invoke Jupyter Notebook. So I will just type Jupyter space notebook and hit enter. And as you can see, it opens my web browser and opens the Jupyter Notebooks in a web browser. So in this video, we learned how to install Jupyter Notebooks or deploy Jupyter Notebooks and how to invoke them from git bash. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thanks.